Today we're memorizing Matthew 28:6, and we're also going to talk about what it means. Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus. So let's say our verse together. Matthew 28:6, He is not here, for He is risen, just as He said. Come see the place where the Lord lay. Matthew 28:6. This is what the angels said to the women that came that first resurrection Sunday morning. Let's see what happened. See, they had watched Jesus die on the cross. Their beloved friend, their teacher, they didn't know yet he was the Messiah and the Christ. And they saw him die on that cross. And they followed as they took the body of Jesus down and buried it in a tomb and rolled a stone across it with a seal and a guard. But it was almost a Sabbath and they didn't have time to finish preparing his body for burial. And they didn't work on the Sabbath, so they had to wait a full day. That was Friday, and then they had to wait all of Saturday, and early Sunday morning, they went to this tomb to finish preparing the body for burial. But there was a big surprise when they got there. There was an angel sitting there. There were angels sitting there. Oh my goodness. And this is what they said. And the angel answered and said to the women, Fear ye not, for I know that ye seek Jesus who was crucified. He is not here, for he is risen, as he said. Come see the place where the Lord lay, and go quickly and tell his disciples that he is risen from the dead. And behold, he goeth before you into Galilee. There ye shall see him. Lo, I have told you. Can you imagine how surprised and shocked they were? Oh my goodness. They went expecting to find Jesus in the tomb, like who takes a dead body? There was a guard to make sure nobody stole it, but he wasn't there. And the angel's explanation must have just been shocking to them. But on their way to obey what the angel said to do and go tell the disciples, they saw Jesus himself. Jesus himself! They saw him face to face and fell at his feet. It was absolutely amazing. And you can learn more in this video. And if you want to know why it's significant that women were the first one to see Jesus alive, check out the blog in the description below. Which Bible verse shall we do next? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.